I'm Carrie, Lo, and I'm a Chinese medicine doctor. And the reason I know about Bowen College is through my sister, and she heard about it, and then she asked me to come along with her. And after just one class, after I go home, I practice on my mother, and she's like having like the urine flow is not as smooth and strong, and then I just do the basic 1, 2, 3 aims on her, and then her urine output and strains become really smooth and strong, and that's usually what I have to do the massages or acupuncture 2 to 3 times to get effectiveness. So I'm just truly amazed by how Bowen therapy can be so wonderful. And I would really recommend to anybody in the Chinese medicine field to learn about it. So it's a really great method to augment on the therapeutic effects, whatever we are doing. So whoever who is afraid of needles or don't want to take Chinese medicine, this is a great way to add on to it. So thank you.